Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you the very basics of Python. So let's get started. First we need to import our time. And I'm also going to show you how to install time. So first fire up a terminal. I'm just going to, or if you're on Windows, fire up a command prompt and type in pip install time. For me, it gives this error because I already have time installed. Okay. Now we can open our blank Python file and import time into there. Okay. Can click on enter. And now I'm going to discuss what's what. So this is a string. Just going to type string in it so you can know that this is a string. This is the print function. And this is the input function. This is our input function. So we have to say what wants to be input. And now we can just type in input. And there we go. So these are three variables that we are working with. I just don't want the code to read this, so I'm just going to hide it by putting a hash in front of every single one of these. Except for the import time. The code now doesn't read these, but we just have these here so we can get back to them later. Okay, now let's make a small program. So first type in print, and let's make a string print function. To do that, just type in print, parentheses, and then these are called brackets. Brackets and quotation marks. Done. Okay, now I just print in here Windows 98. Oh, I almost typed in Windows 987. No, I typed in Windows 987. It's kind of funny. Okay, now we can type in Windows equals to input. And then which version do you like? Which version of Windows do you like? Okay. And now let's type in if Windows equals to ME. That stands for Millennium Edition, the worst ever. One. Then printing worst version. But we need to print it as a string. Version. Syntax error, invalid syntax. Okay, we don't need time now imported. I think we would make something with time, but we didn't. Okay, now we can type in if enter if Windows equals to 7 then print best version. Now we can just close our virtual and run it by putting here and here. I forgot to put in the quotation marks. Now we can run it. Okay, I think I have to relaunch Visual Studio Code because it just gave me some random stupid terminal. Okay, now we can run it. And for the terminal, problems, what's my problem? And where do I have Z? At OS 7.py. Okay, which version do you like? Let's just type in ME. And I want this to continue forever, this loop. So we can type in while true right here. True. There we go. Now let's see what happens when we run this. Which version do you like to type in ME? This worst version, 7.7. There we go. So that's basically how to make the basics of Python. They're not very basics because we did make a tiny little program, but with all that said, bye.